Welcome back, everybody. We are looking today at poem 12 of Catullus. The addressee is Marrucinus Asinius, and here's Garrison's introductory note, a piece of occasional verse, ostensibly to embarrass Asinius Marrucinus for filching a napkin of sentimental value. The main purpose, though, may have been to pay compliments to Pollio, Fabullus, and Veranius. I'm going to ask you to translate the first 9 lines of this poem for Friday, so let's jump right in. We get the addressee in the vocative in the very first line. Take a listen to this first line. It's beautifully constructed uh, sonically. Maru ki nasani manu sanistra. Almost a tongue twister, but a beautifully rhythmic, alliterative line. He addresses Marrucinus Asinius, and he says to him, uteris. Remember, this is utor, the deponent verb, and it takes an ablative. Be very careful of the person number tense of this verb. It is uteris, not uteris. See what you can make of that. Um, we've seen this phrase before in Yoko atque vino, basically meaning in a larger sense at a dinner party. So he accuses him of uteris, and he accuses him of tolis. Okay, again, remember the underlined words in blue are words or phrases that are glossed or otherwise commented on by Garrison in the notes. Please take a look at those. Okay, notice here negligentiorum is a comparative in the genitive plural. It's going to be a substantive adjective of the rather negligent people. Okay, he asks this rhetorical question, hoc salsum esse putas, the hoc referring to the accusation that he's made in the previous lines. Fugite inepte, we saw something like this addressed to Lesbia's husband in a prior poem. Quam vi sordidaris et invenustast, and he's going to tell him this thing that he's doing is not salsum. In fact, it's this. Okay, invenusta, you can see that version of a buzzword. This is, of course, the negative variety, not venusta, but invenusta. Okay, then he goes on to say, really, you're not going to take my word for it? Well, you should talk to your brother, Pollio. And Pollio apparently is not such an uncouth guy as his brother Asinius. And he gets described in a relative clause, who, be careful of this phrase, mutari velit, vel talento. This is described quite well in the notes. Take a look at that. Velit is present subjunctive, optative. Who would want to offerta mutari vel talento would be the prose order of that. And why would his brother give anything to have his uncouth brother not do what he does? It's because he is a puer. Unusual to call him a puer, but he is a puer defertus leporum, another buzzword there we've seen, and he is a puer defertus faceteorum, also a buzzword, giving high poetae noi praise to Pollio, the brother of Asinius. And we'll pause it there for today. Good luck on those first 9 lines, and I'll see you on Friday.